My name is Mayra Bosque. I am at the San Diego Resident Office and I work for the Army Corps of Engineers. As the field office assistant, I'm responsible for clerical and organizational tasks. And it is important because as part of my job, I help not only doing my tasks, but also help with those that are in the field making their job easier. I've been 6 years with the Corps of Engineers, and I joined the Corps because they do a lot throughout the world. I was part of a great team down in Puerto Rico after they were hit with Hurricane Maria. I was with the emergency team operations. Okay, I was tasked with two of the missions, one being the critical public facilities and the other one the debris team. The critical public facilities were in charge of the police department